So DaVinci Commerce is agentic AI. In fact, the reason we embraced agentic AI in every workflow is because generative AI by itself has very little controls. Now you can prompt it and you can tell it what to do and what not to do, but it takes a lot of effort to get it to do the right thing. When you introduce agentic AI into the mix, the process becomes a little bit more controlled. There's also RAG, which is the other AI technology, which can also guide the LLM to either produce a certain type of output or to not produce certain types of output. So the combination of agentic and RAG AI technologies tend to produce better outcomes than just trying to prompt the generative AI to produce the desired results. So if you look at practically every use case we have for launching campaigns, whether it's generating creative or the workflow management and so on, agentic AI is able to put the right kinds of guardrails in the process so that what's produced by AI still complies with the brand's guidelines, everything down to the font, to the logo that's being used, as well as to the retailer guidelines. And it also even can check to make sure that certain words should not be used. I was talking to a retailer the other day that said, we don't allow anyone in our ads to say, put an exclamation mark, in any copy, right? And so checking for things like that, right? So it can be very, very specific. And really all you need to do is provide it as part of the guidelines, and it will check and make sure it is. The other related topic is color contrast, right? So depending on the retailer site it's going to run on, the ad may not, may conflict with the site itself. So checking those kinds of things. So AI is a powerful tool, but without the guardrails and without the controls, it either means you have to do a lot of work to try to get it to comply with that, or it produces risky outcomes or outputs, or may even damage the brand, because, or at the very least, doesn't ensure brand consistency. And one of the main ideas behind branding is indeed consistency. So you want AI to be controlled to produce consistent outcomes.